I see another waterfall up ahead, so let's keep going. Hey there, it's day one. I am in Payson, Arizona, and I'm at a place called Waterwheel Falls. Not exactly sure what to expect. I looked it up on the top 20 things to do in Payson, and it was number 6, I think. Surprisingly enough, number 8 was the little casino that I was just at, so there must not be a whole lot going on here. But this is supposed to be pretty cool. It's supposed to be scenic, and let's go check it out. Well, these boulders are something else. Look at that. These lead down to the water. Alright, well, this must be the trail. The information center has nothing on it except for yelling at you about not camping. This sand is unbelievably soft. I'm a little further in now. There's a pool. I can hear some more of the little waterfalls on the way down. I can't get over the sand. Look at this. Look how fine that is. I keep talking about the sand, but this is like something you would find on a beach in Hawaii. It's incredible. So I'm still hiking in a little bit, and it occurred to me, and I have no idea why, I'm whispering. But I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't need to whisper. But there's just something about being out like this that kind of makes you change your tone a little bit. I see another waterfall up ahead, so let's keep going. I'll find my way back up, if I can do that without falling. Probably not the best idea to try to do all of this one-handed, actually no-handed, because I'm holding a water bottle, but we're all right. Anyway, so I saw another waterfall up ahead, so we will make our way up that direction and see what we find. It's a beautiful day. It's about 70 degrees. Can't really ask for much better than this, you know. It's going to be in the 30s tonight in Winslow, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm walking along, and I don't know if that's in focus or not, but I got a stowaway. Where'd you go? There you go. Oh, and she's gone. I didn't get a release from her, so that's probably why she took off. She didn't want to be on camera. The way this is carved out is amazing. There's a little waterfall up there. This was kind of a spur of the moment stop, so I didn't do a lot of research. Here's some more of that sand again. If I needed a bath, this would probably be a good place to take it. There were some kids swimming a little further up. Let's see if we can get a better vantage point here. Well, I'm not sure how far in this goes, but I'm going to go ahead and hike back out. I still have another hour and a half or so to Winslow, and I need to identify where I'm staying tonight. So let's hike back out and I'll get back on the road. So that was Water Wheel Falls. It was a cool little hike. The weather was nice. Got a little warm toward the end. I'm still not quite sure why they called it Water Wheel Falls. There were waterfalls for the namesake, but nothing that would indicate why it was Water Wheel, so maybe that's just the name of the area. I don't know. So now I am in, I'm between Winslow and Flagstaff. I'm just a couple of miles from Meteor Crater, and I am parked at Meteor Crater Rest Area. And this is actually a pretty great place to stop. I found a fairly level spot. It's not very busy at all. It's a Sunday evening, so I wouldn't really expect it to be. But I think it'll be a good place to hang out tonight. And then tomorrow I will get myself together and hit Meteor Crater. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, have a great day.